Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to redesign or change theme of your Gmail app on your desktop. So let's get started. First thing first, open up your Gmail app, and then after open up your Gmail app, if you are logging in for the first time, you need to log in with your Google username and password. Once you log in, it's going to take you to your inbox right here. Then how you can change the theme of your Gmail to look more clean and beautiful with different themes available in right here. So let's get started. First thing first, go ahead and click on setting icon on the top right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on see all settings. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on themes right here. Go ahead and click on set theme. Then by preview, you see all available themes right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all different available themes. Then from the options right here, if you select any theme right here, it's going to be reflected and be applied to your Gmail. For instance, if I select this particular theme right here, then boom, we have the theme right here in my Gmail. If you are not satisfied with this one that you just select, go ahead and choose another one right here. You have another one right here. You can go on and on and choose different themes as the case may be. You can choose different single color or different animation color. So once you are satisfied with the theme you chose right here, go ahead and hit on save, and the theme is going to save to your Gmail. By the time I go back to inbox right here, you find out that the theme has been completely changed. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gmail settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.